Hello friends, welcome to Navaratna's channel. I'm your friend and your astrologer. This channel will provide you information and solutions on astrology, Vastu Shastra and numerology. From today we'll study planets through Ashwini Nakshatra. What will be the characteristic of a person when each planet is in Ashwini Nakshatra? Please stay tuned. Placement of Sun planet in Ashwini Nakshatra. What will be the characteristic of a person who has Sun planet in their Ashwini Nakshatra in their charts? Let us first understand what does Sun Lord represent. It represents soul. Sun is also called as Atma Karaka. Sun also has a person who has a very strong sun has the ability to go to core. So sun represent the ability of a person to go to core or a root cause of any subject. Thirdly, strong sun represents humanity. Now, sun is also called as a Arogya Karaka as per the Shastras. So, those person who has very good sun in their chart has very strong immunity. Fourth, Sun Lord represent willpower. The power not to give up on anything is given by Lord Sun. So, the person who is very determined in as in their life are because of the blessings of Lord Sun. Now, let us understand what does Ashwini Nakshatra means or Ashwini Nakshatra represents. See, Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra or which is called nakshatra for healers. Such person has a tendency to help or heal people. The Ashwini Nakshatra symbol is denoted by horse as it represents the speed or a person who has Ashwini Nakshatra will have a tendency to do the work very quickly. So they will be very speedy and in accomplishing their goal or accomplishing their work. It may be good, sometimes it may not be good, but it depends upon yoga. Third, Ashwini Nakshatra represent application of their energy to help or heal people or help a community which they feel they are doing something for some good for some community. They can be application of energy, maybe of any type. It may be the physical energy, their mental energy, their communicative energy, any energy. They will utilize it to help or for some cause. And it also represent movement or a motion, or you can say a travel. See, when Sun being a fairy planet is in a fairy tattva nakshatra, gives a person a very, very strong willpower. Here, such type of people will be very much determined. Secondly, these type of people are very dedicated to work as to accomplish the work at the speed of horse. Hence, they will not stop until the work is completed. What Sun shows is your dedication, and secondly, what nakshatra shows is working at the rate of speed because the symbol of nakshatra itself is horse. Such type of people, whatever work they take, they will take it and they will try to complete it as fast as possible. And they will be restless until unless it is not completed. Third important thing is sun is having a ability or sun gives a ability to person to go to core or to the root cause. And as we can see, the nakshatra is of medicine or something which is related to help people or heal people. This type of sun produces the bestest doctors, the scientists, or the researchers. It may be in any field. Fourthly, the important thing is sun makes a person charmer in their profile. When wherever field they go, they will be charmer. As Ashwini Nakshatra represent heal or help to retain youthfulness, they will be smart in managing administrative work to accomplish social as well as personal goals. And fifth most important is this type of people will be very good organizer of events. As Sun represents administration, organization, and Sun in Ashwini Nakshatra, where Nakshatra represents energy of implementation of their energy to heal or help. This type of people will be very good in social organization of any event, or you can say they can be very good in health, organizing health related camps, etc. We'll see what will be the result of Sun Mahadasha for such type of people. As you know, Sun is in Ashwini Nakshatra. Here, this type of people may become very famous in their society. This because of their ability to accomplish work commitments and also for their pioneer quality of organizing skills. Now we'll see what best profession they can opt for. As you see, when sun is placed in Ashwini Nakshatra, when this type of sun is been aspected or is in good yoga of a positive Mars, that is positive Mangal. What is a sun? Sun is your determination. It is your administrative skill. And what is Mars? Mars is your energy. So your energy is to administer something. So such type of people can become a very good in for the post like IAS, IPS, National Defense Officers. They can crack UPSC exam. They can go and serve the nation. Now this type of sun is been expected or is in good yogas of positive Jupiter, or you can say positive Guru. Then this what is Guru? Guru is Jnana, and what is Sun? Sun is determination and your administrative power. So when Guru Jnana is to administer, such type of people can become HOD of medical colleges. They can become scientists who can go to the root cause to find some cure, or a NASA scientist where their major attitude is to uh, research. What will be the characteristic of a person when Sun is been aspected or in a positive yoga of a positive Mercury, that is planet Buddha. So, what is Mercury? Mercury is your information giving quality. It's your intellect. And what is Sun? It's administration. It is determination. So now, and it's in Ashwini Nakshatra. So now the tendency is to help people in a very communicative way. Such type of people may be very much good administrative. They may have many administrative posts in a field of news channel, print media. They can be CEOs of news channel, or they can be CEOs of print media, where or any of those organization where their communication part is at a peak. Now, when moon, a positive moon, that is Lord Chandra, is been expected by sun, or sun is expecting moon with a very positive yogas, then such type of person will have a quality where sun is determination and moon is basically your emotional quality, or your emotional or healing qualities, where a person may be very much good in hospitality business, or he may be HOD of some hospitality organization like human health organization, or any of the social welfare programs or social welfare groups. Now let us see when sun is been aspected by a positive Venus, or is in yogas of positive Venus, that is planet Shukra. So when Sun is been aspected by Venus, Sun is your administrative skill, and Venus is your creative skill, or your you can say entertaining quality. So such type of people have a authority in directing something. They can be a better directors. They can be better in hotel related business. So such type of people will be good in. Uh, they can be film directors. They can be anything hotel managers, or they may have a hotel groups where like they can even have an organization or a hotel line where massage parlors they may be in charge of massage parlors, or anything, or they may be in charge pertaining to some saloons, so they may come up with a saloon related business. Now we'll see when this type of sun is been aspected by a positive Saturn, or in yogas of a positive Saturn, that is Shani Dev. So when Saturn aspect or is in positive yogas of Sun makes a person authority, gives authority of agriculture field. They can be higher HOD of some agriculture or geological organization. As Saturn represent anything which is related to land, or anything related to below land, or your work which is day-to-day activity like farming, and sun represent authority, so they can opt for a field like geology, agriculture, mining, etc. Now we'll understand the aspect of positive Rahu, or a yoga or positive yoga of a Rahu on sun placed in Ashwini Nakshatra. See, what is Rahu? Rahu is poisons. Rahu it also represent anything which is against society. So Rahu represent drugs. So when he is being aspected or is in conjunction of sun, sun represents determination. It represents your dedication, or it represents your authority. In the nakshatra of Ashwini represents medicines. So such type of yoga can produce one of the bestest biotechnical engineers. They can be one of the best pharmaceutical engineers, or they can be best pharmacist. So such type of people can opt for a field of pharmacy, biotechnology, chemical engineering, etc. Now we'll understand what is Ketu, what is a characteristic of a people who is having a Ketu, positive Ketu aspect, or you can say a positive Ketu yoga with sun placed in Ashwini Nakshatra. See what Ketu represent. Ketu represents spirituality. It represents animals. It represents anything which is surrounding. And when is in the nakshatra, or when it is been expected by sun or yoga of sun conjunction, Ashwini Nakshatra being of holistic or a healing nakshatra, such type of people can be a good veterinary doctors. They can be animal lovers. They can be they may have authority. Being son, they may give them authority, or they can be HOD of some spiritual organization, or some animal husbandry organization, or some environmental organization, etc. So they can they can opt for such fields. When this type of sun is afflicted by negative planet, or you can say malefic planet, or in a yoga of malefic planet, can give rise to bad effects. Like this type of people may have lot of temperamental or ego issues, which can lead to health related issues like anxiety, head burning, etc. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.